Virgo, the sign of detail, refinement, and quiet power. Often labelled as overly analytical or perfectionistic, Virgo is one of the most misunderstood signs in the zodiac. But behind the spreadsheets and stillness lies something rare. A mind that sees order in chaos, a heart that loves in quiet service, and a soul that's not looking for the spotlight, but for meaning. Welcome back to Celestial Cipher, where today we decode the sacred truth behind Virgo's brilliance and the hidden magic in their method. The mind that never stops. Ruled by Mercury, Virgo's mind is fast, fluid, and laser-focused. But unlike Gemini, Virgo's Mercury isn't chaotic, it's precise. Where others see fragments, Virgo sees systems. They notice what's out of place, what needs fixing, what's being left unsaid. And no, they're not nitpicking to criticize. They're trying to make things better. That's how they love, through action, service, and subtle care. The sacred power of precision. Virgo isn't about perfection, they're about purpose. Their drive for refinement isn't about control, but clarity. They believe every detail matters because everything is connected. They are the healers, the editors, the quiet architects of the zodiac. They don't need credit, they need impact. And while others chase spotlight moments, Virgo is busy creating legacies no one notices until everything runs better because of them. Emotional intelligence in disguise. Virgos may seem emotionally reserved, but make no mistake, they feel deeply. They're just wired to respond, not react. In a world that often shouts, Virgo listens. They won't always say, I love you. They'll show up, remember your schedule, bring you tea, fix the thing you didn't know was broken. Their love is in the details, and their presence is often the safest place to fall apart. But beneath that calm lies a challenge Virgo rarely shares. They hold themselves to impossible standards and quietly carry the burdens of everyone around them. The wounds they hide. Virgo's shadow is self-criticism. They're their own harshest judge. They may forgive others easily, but when it comes to themselves, every mistake feels like a failure, every imperfection a flaw. They carry quiet wounds from feeling like they were never quite enough. That's why they strive to fix, to perfect, not just the world, but themselves. The truth is, Virgo doesn't want to control everything. They just want to feel safe in a world that often feels too messy, too loud, too uncertain. The unspoken strength of Virgo. Don't mistake Virgo's quiet for weakness. Beneath that calm exterior is a mind sharp enough to solve anything, and a soul steady enough to stay when everyone else runs. Virgos aren't here to impress. They're here to elevate, to build, to heal, to restore what's broken without ever needing applause. So if you love a Virgo, don't just listen to what they say, watch what they do. That's where their truth lives, because Virgo doesn't need the spotlight. They just want to help you shine. Are you a Virgo or someone who loves one? Drop a heart emoji in the comments if this resonates with your soul. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Zodiac deep dives only on Celestial Cipher.